Before heading to the news in detail, here's a glimpse of the headlines. Prime Minister Modi pays tribute to Mahatma Gandhi on his birth anniversary. PM Modi celebrates 10th anniversary of Swachh Bharat mission. India celebrates Swachh Bharat Divas with launch of sanitation projects in Shillong. Meghalaya government to introduce QR code tracking for liquor sales. And Meghalaya SSA School Association demands job regularization. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi commemorated Mahatma Gandhi's birth anniversary at Rajghat, Delhi today, paying homage to the iconic leader on Gandhi Jayanti, which is celebrated annually to honor his legacy and contributions to India's freedom struggle. Prime Minister Narendra Modi marked the 10th anniversary of the Swachh Bharat mission today, celebrating a decade of promoting cleanliness across India. Launched in 2014, the mission has evolved into one of the largest public movements for sanitation in the country. During the ceremony, PM Modi inaugurated and laid the foundation stone for sanitation projects worth over Rs 9,600 crores. He emphasized the importance of collective participation, noting that 140 crore citizens contributed to the mission and over 27 lakh events were organized during the Seva Pakhwada, engaging more than 28 crore people nationwide.
आज के इस महत्वपूर्ण पड़ाव पर आज स्वच्छता से जुड़े करीब 10,000 करोड़ रुपए के प्रोजेक्ट्स की भी शुरुआत हुई है। मिशन अमृत के तहत देश के अनेक शहरों में वाटर और सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट बनाए जाएंगे। नमामि गंगे से जुड़ा काम हो या फिर कचरे से बायोगैस पैदा करने वाले गोवर्धन प्लांट, ये काम स्वच्छ भारत मिशन को एक नई ऊंचाई पर ले जाएगा।
India observed Swachh Bharat Divas as the Prime Minister inaugurated several national projects while virtually launching the fecal sludge and septage management plant in Shillong, developed by the Shillong Municipal Board under the Amrut scheme. Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Amprin Lingdo attended as a special guest, highlighting the plant's advanced technology for efficient waste disposal that ensures worker safety and aims to enhance public health and environmental protection. Dr. Lingdo also recognized the contributions of municipal workers, presenting 18 of them with Janata personal accident policies worth 2 lakhs from the National Insurance Company Limited.
स्वच्छ भारत मिशन को, उसकी यात्रा को 10 साल के मुकाम पर हम पहुंच चुके हैं।
So almost 1 lakh households are under a survey. At one point of time, 2014-15, there was a concept that we will have these treatment plans at a locality level, where everybody's septic tank would be connected to this sewage.
Jayant Chowdhury, Minister of State for Skill Development and Education, visited Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya in Yangbari Ribhoi today for Gandhi Jayanti and Shastri Jayanti celebrations. The event featured discussions with JNV students via Smart Class, along with the inauguration of an exhibition on the principles of Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri. The villages of Mardon, Mautari, Nongsdare and Nongtre were also recognized for achieving open defecation free plus status. Later, Minister Chaudhary visited a pineapple garden in Nongkra, engaging with local farmers about agricultural practices alongside Deputy Commissioner Abhilash Bharanwal and district officials.
Has done a lot academically, as the principal was saying, in competitive exams, using all traditional metrics of assessing and judging performance. Children in this institution can take pride. Teachers can also pat their own backs.
The Meghalaya state government is set to implement quick response code technology for tracking liquor sales, following the state cabinet's approval of a proposal from the Excise Department. Excise Minister Gurmen Shilla stated that while the existing hologram system has reduced leakage, the government seeks to enhance monitoring with QR codes on every bottle of Indian-made foreign liquor. This initiative aims to further prevent revenue loss. Additionally, the minister highlighted that the department's revenue has seen significant growth in recent years, with a target exceeding 500 crores this fiscal year.
Actually, when it comes to hologram, the time is already over for them. So that's why to introduce this QR code, there's a process need to be done. So for this, we have given them extension because we cannot live without, we cannot let the product goes to the market without any trace and track. So as of now, the only trace and track we have is the hologram. So we extend for a period of time to this the present was a company who gave us this hologram. But it's just that for the time to complete this process, we need some time. So based on that, we extend, and it will be a matter of 2-3 months.
The Meghalaya SSA School Association held a general meeting today at Madan Student Shillong, where President Aristotle C. Rimbai announced teachers' demands for job regularization and legislation by 21st March 2026. Rimbai stated that the association will meet with all 12 cabinet ministers, including the Chief Minister, to convey their decision, giving the government 2 months to respond. He warned that if demands are not met, unprecedented protests would follow, surpassing previous demonstrations. The association is advocating for improved working conditions and regularization for SSA teachers, taking a firm stance on long-standing issues affecting its members.
Association, we will meet all the 12 cabinet minister, that is including our honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma, to request them to come up with a policy how to observe pertaining to the security of service of SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya.
The state-level closing ceremony of Swachhata Hi Seva 2024, celebrating the 10th anniversary of the Swachh Bharat mission as part of the nationwide campaign, took place at Green Heaven in Tura, Southwest Garo Hills. Rangsakona MLA Subir Marak inaugurated the event. Organized by the Urban Affairs Department and Tura Municipal Board, the ceremony featured an exhibition-cum-sales day showcasing local self-help groups and Swachh vendors with a variety of fruits, vegetables, handicrafts and food items on display.
You can just use it for many purposes. You can keep your money here.
In celebration of Gandhi Jayanti, the district administration, in collaboration with the Jowai Municipal Board and local organizations, organized a cleaning drive in Jowai town's market areas. Residents, vendors and shopkeepers actively participated, emphasizing community involvement under the leadership of Additional Deputy Commissioner Dahunlang V. Lingdok. Simultaneously, Shillong conducted a large-scale cleaning initiative across all office areas, promoting hygiene and reflecting Mahatma Gandhi's vision for a clean environment. Both efforts fostered a spirit of collective responsibility among participants, highlighting the importance of cleanliness in the community. South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shulai convened a meeting today with residents of the Shillong Cantonment Board in Jhalupara to discuss the challenges of drug peddling and illegal immigration in the area. The Cantonment Board Leaseholder Association was urged to ensure police verification for all tenants. A joint action committee will be formed to combat these issues effectively. ADC of East Khasi Hills, Ronnie Watlang, emphasized the need for the Cantonment Board about the importance of compassion in dealing with families affected by addiction. MLA Shulai also called for an amendment to the Shillong Cantonment Board Act to recognize village councils to address the drug problems.
Kibala penba pensir ya kajing songsun ya ginong songsunong om tang na Cantonment area ini ginong di drugs ginong tu nong tim kila pen dream ru ya ginong songsunong asor sulong berokoi bat kapsor siwi jakaru ratib.
In celebration of Gandhi Jayanti and as part of Swachhata Hi Seva, Raj Bhavan Shillong, in collaboration with the Central Bureau of Communication and the District Sports Officer of East Khasi Hills, organized the Swachhata 5.5K run today. The event attracted over 1,000 participants from various walks of life and was flagged off by the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, C.H. Vijay Shankar. The run's route included key locations such as St. Anthony's College, Shillong College and Laitomkra Market, culminating back at Raj Bhavan. Prizes were awarded to the top 3 finishers with Rs 5,000 for first place, 3,000 for second and 2,000 for third. The Hindu Welfare Society Nongpo celebrated Gandhi Jayanti today under the theme Swabhav Swachhta, Sanskar Swachhta. The event honored students who excelled in the SSLC and HSSLC examinations with awards presented to those scoring 75% or above. Special recognition went to Krishna Koirala, who ranked 17th in the SSLC, and Jagjot Singh Nongtudu, who secured 10th in the HSSLC. Society officials emphasized the importance of peace, community collaboration and combating drug abuse while promoting education and a healthy environment. And now the weather report. Minimum temperature recorded today was 17.4 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 98%, which decreased to 95% in the evening. Forecast: light to moderate rainfall and thundershower is very likely to occur at most places. Before we end this news bulletin, let's have a quick look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi pays tribute to Mahatma Gandhi on his birth anniversary. PM Modi celebrates 10th anniversary of Swachh Bharat mission. India celebrates Swachh Bharat Divas with launch of sanitation projects in Shillong. Meghalaya government to introduce QR code tracking for liquor sales. And Meghalaya SSA School Association demands job regularization. And that's all we have for you today in this news bulletin. Do tune in again with us tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thanks for watching. Good night.